supposed to let you walk away? How am I supposed to let you go? You're all I ever wanted in my life. All I ever wanted in my. You're all I ever wanted in my. All I ever wanted in my life.
You want it, ever wanted in my. You want it, ever wanted in my. You want it, ever wanted in my. And I like west side, sipping on Fanta, like Wakanda. Let me remind ya, Rocky designer, racks in my binder. She my type of liner, you would never find her. I would do the same if I had cash and I had time for her. Who said we had to be second-hand lovers? You know we play the game, we need each other. Need each other. Angel dust. Shawty always got me tripping like angel dust. Everywhere she goes, you always see me. I'm flocking. Shawty, you stuck with me like I'm stuck in your teeth. No flaws. My phone gon' ring. I pull up in a GT. Rabbit first, easy. All because she pretty. Her friends talking down on me. She petty, she don't listen. She double down off the head and see. She slutty me. Slapped the devil and told him that my girl harder. Even we two-tone on her. With the way you whine, yo. Who touch ya? Got my hands all on ya body. Please don't break my heart. You want it, ever wanted in my. You want it, ever wanted in my. You want it, ever wanted in my. And I west side, sipping on Fanta, black like Wakanda. Let me remind ya, rockin' designer, racks in my binder. She my type of liner, you would never find her. I would do the same if I have cash and I had time for her. Who said we gotta be second-hand lovers? You know we stay together, we need each other. We need each other. It's a Lamborghini, baby, are you with me? She do Bobby Whitney, that booty always tempting. Why are you here sipping? I sing a whole symphony. I took her to the Gucci store and walked out with some Tiffany. Now we here singing all these love songs. Girl, you give me love charms. Singing in your undertone, yeah. You know I've been in on a mission. I need you to get dirty, do that. Let's go outside. This will be my time. She get like a hard time. Let's go outside. I chop her outside, my blocker is outside. You want it, ever wanted in my. You want it, ever wanted in my. You want it, ever wanted in my. And I like west side, sipping on Fanta, like Wakanda. Let me remind ya, Rocky designer, racks in my binder. She my type of liner, you would never find her.
How am I supposed to let you go? How am I supposed to let you walk away? How am I supposed to let you go? You're all I ever wanted in my.
Live in the spotlight with Spotify Premium. Build, curate, and listen to your playlists uninterrupted, even offline. Enjoy 3 free months now and cancel anytime. Tap the
Top of the morning. Okay. Give me a second. Let me share the links real quick. Gotta let them know we're live. Right. Alright, so oh, I forgot to set my Telegram. Feel so lazy today. Feel so lazy. Yeah, I just woke up like an hour ago. I was just on my bed on my phone. It's kind of cold out here, so I just wanna, be in my blanket, chilling. But I had to do what I gotta do first. I just shared the link to my Telegram, so if you wanna join my Telegram, I'm gonna be adding them on my descriptions. Okay. Right. Hey, what's up, everybody? So today is the 26th of February, 2026. The time is 10:35 a.m. London session just opened, but today I'm here to break down the trade that I would have taken yesterday. This is the setup I was looking at yesterday. But coming into today, I can see that price is bearish. Is kind of, it's still bullish, but it's like acting like it wants to go bearish. So yeah, I think it's gonna go bearish today. It's gonna come and break this. I know it's making. Okay, let's just get done with yesterday's trade first. Okay, fuck it. I can't resist marking this up. So I can see that this is going up. It just got broken. I'm thinking it wants to sell all the way down here. Yep. So I would take this like this. This looks like it's a weird trade, but I think this is what's gonna happen. It's gonna come all the way down here. Yep. So let's keep an eye on that too. Yep. I think this is a trade. Keep an eye on that. All right. So yeah, okay. I'll just look back. Let me take this off. Okay. So yesterday I broke down a trade I took over here, which made this high. So no, yeah. Then yesterday I took this trade. I was expecting this to come all the way down here. I'm gonna have to clean my charts, man. Let me just take everything out like that. Let me take that away first, then show you what's up. Yeah, let me take this one off too. Let me just manage this. So what I marked out over here was when price broke this breakup structure over here. Just follow my mouse. I know it's a lot of my screen, but just follow my mouse. Let's just go to the 4 time frame too, so you can see clearly. Damn, you're not even seeing clearly. Shit. Alright. Okay. Let me just take this off. This off. This one off too. This one. Alright. Now we have a blank screen, right? This one too, and this. So what I was looking at on gold was price came all the way down here, boom, broke this low. So yesterday, the trade I took, I was breaking down yesterday was this. I got in here when price came all the way down here and broke this low, liquidity. I took this as liquidity because this kind of was moving so fast. I was watching it happen in real life. So it came so fast, I was like, nah, this is a liquidity sweep. Like they're trying to catch us. So when it got done, I broke it down on my video yesterday, so I don't wanna explain it. I wanna explain the other one. So the same strategy I used on this trade. on that trade, on this the same strategy I used on this on this buy is the same strategy I used on this buy over here. So, and I'm about to break it down right now. If you want to understand how I got into this trade up to here, buying all this on this buy trade, just go and watch the day 8 video or day 9. I think day 8. Yeah, day 8. Nah, day 9. Because today is 10th. Day 9. Sorry, I just woke up. My head is all over the place. Alright, so let me break down this trade. So after getting into this this buy, I should have held it. If I held it, I would still be up, but I don't know about holding trades right now. Even if I'm using demo account, because if I'm using a demo account, I'm just trading the same way I would have traded with a live account. That's why I don't want to just be reckless. But yeah, that happened. And the reason why I didn't hold is because this level has not been broken yet. If I get a trade that breaks this level, I can think about holding it because this is the high right now. And everything below it is still bullish. It's still bearish. So it breaks it until it breaks it. When it breaks it, it's going to be bullish. But right now, everything is bearish. Alright, so let me break down this trade. So when this got broken, when this high got broken over here, with the buy that I took, that this is my take profit is above here. So I was waiting for price to go all the way up, come back down. So that's why I marked this section over here. Now let me. Ooh, okay. So I marked out this other high. All right, this other low. This is a low, right? Because if price is going on an uptrend, it does this. It needs to go make a high, make a lower high, then make a high, make a lower high, make a high, make a high. This lower high has been broken, so that's why I'm expecting price to, go down. But basically that, but it hasn't broken the high, so So right now I'm kind of like, I don't want to trade right now because price is telling me it wants to go bearish, kind of. So this is what happened, man. I know I'm all over the place, but let me take a second. Okay, all right. First thing I did was mark this low. I marked out this low because this was the previous low. Let me see if I can replay. Oh yeah. Oh fuck, trading view. All right. So this low, I marked out this low. When price went up, it made this low, right? Then I turn on my sessions. I can see that I was asleep when this happened. But then he went and made during Asia session, because I took this buy in New York session. Then I got out during Asia session. Price went down before Asia session. Then it bought during Asia session, and then this was coming into yesterday. I was waiting to see what price was trying to do. So I marked out this level using this rectangular tool of mine. I marked out this and that high. Like that. Then I just do this. Then I name this my buy and sell zone. This is where I'm looking to buy and sell in here. Then I turn my magnet on to make sure it snaps on this levels. Yep. Yo, come on, man. What are you doing? Yep, like that. Alright, then the next thing I did was marked out what made this move go on, like which candle made all this momentum happen. So I marked out this candle to this. This is the last candle that was formed that grabbed liquidity, that force this price to go up. So I marked that candle too. I don't know why my snapping tool is being weird right now. What's going on here? Oh, it's this. So, yep. Do that and this too, like this. Then give me a second, man. I need to be precise on doing this so I don't get wrong levels. So I mark this as my support level. Then I was waiting for price. During this time, price had not yet come here. It was still up here making bullish movements, right? So I don't get distracted, I remember I pushed this here so that this doesn't matter to me right now. It does, but not right now. Because I'm looking for reverse, like I'm looking for reversal in the trend. So this was going down crazy, still. Then all I need to do on this side is now go to the 15-minute time frame and wait to see. You see now it's clearer. So looking at the 15-minute time frame, I could see that price was coming down, tumbling down. And I marked, that's the highest candle, this is the lowest candle. This is how I map out my stuff. So looking at it like this, I also marked the lows that I can see. That's a low. Then this is a low. So I was waiting for price to make a reversal. So when it did this, when it started going down, I was like, okay, all I need to do now is mark out the highs. So every time it made a low, I marked the high. Boom. Mark the high and the low. So this is the low. So anytime a low gets broken, I mark the high. So looking at it, it consolidated here, broke it. I was like, okay, then that's not the high I need anymore. So I was needing this high, only this high, because this is the high that made this movement happen. Then I mark out the previous low, the low that was made. Like when it makes a new low, I mark out the high and the low. So this was I marked out this. Then when this candle broke this, now I saw that this level of liquidity, because I was expecting price to bounce from here to go all the way up, but when it got to this level of liquidity, it got disrespected. So I was like, okay, that's a sign that I should be ready. I should be thinking about buys because it has grabbed this liquidity that was down here. And when it broke this other one too, I was like, oh shoot, okay, I really need to think about buys right now. So when this candle immediately closed down here like this, I was like, oh, okay. Because it was moving fast, it was moving really fast. So at this point, I placed my buy order above this candle like that. Then I put my stop loss here because I was like, nah, this is the liquidity candle. When it does this, and then when price started making bullish candles, I was like, yeah, I think we're going back bullish. So that's why I put my buy order there, so that when it gets to this, when this candle gets to this point, I buy because price will be back bullish, because this is a liquidity sweep and price has gotten enough momentum to keep buying up. So I did that and put a 1.2. Yeah, then I put a 1.2, yeah, like that. Boom. That's how I took this trade. So you can see it did what it did, and price decided to come back down and try to catch me. But yeah, that's what I was thinking when I was taking this trade. And if you look at the 5-minute time frame too, you can see that when price came all the way down here and broke this, I think I even got in sooner. I think I did. Let me show you the screenshot. Okay, this is it. Yeah, oh my god, I got in sooner. Yeah, because I was in the 5-minute time frame, I remember. So I got in on the 5-minute time frame. Let me show you where I got in at. So on the 5-minute time frame, because I was zooming in, I was looking for an entry. So I got in immediately after this candle closed. Yep, here. That's where I got in. Then I targeted 1 to 2. One, two, two, one, two, two, one, two, two, one, two, two, one, two, two. This is what I was targeting. 1 to 2. I actually targeted previous London high. I remember. Did I? Yeah, I think I did. Yeah, I targeted the resistance. Oh. Okay, my bad. So this is what I did. So since I was expecting a reversal, because price, like I told you, when it's on an uptrend, it does this: high, low, makes a high, comes makes a lower high, and then makes a high, which will break the high, right? So it's something like this. This is my, come on, man. Yeah. So it came from low, high, lower high, higher high, lower high. Then it needs to make a higher high. So I was expecting price to get all the way up here to this level and break it. That's why I put my stop loss here. Yeah, this is my trade. That's what happened. I was locked in crazy. So I was waiting. So what happened? I marked out my levels with the 1 hour time frame and 4 hour time frame. Went to the 15-minute time frame. Waited for price to grab liquidity to break the previous liquidity levels or the previous lower highs. So I marked out the previous lower highs, and when price broke one of them or either of them, I was like, okay, that's a liquidity grab, because that's where the previous orders are. That's where there was a huge reaction before in the market. So when it did that, I was like, okay, I might as well now like make that educated guess of getting a buy right now. So that's why I took the buy on my 5-minute time frame. Yep. You need to take it on the lower and higher, the lower time frames. I can see that it did, and I was waiting for more reactions, like as price was going. When it did this, I was like, okay, price is literally gonna come back, because this is the low that made this low. So when price went up, I was expecting this to happen, but this was crazy. This was scary because it came all the way down here, but still it was just another liquidity grab. But since it grabbed this part, I don't think there was more liquidity left to be grabbed by this one. So this was just like a correction, then a continuation up, which was targeting the previous session highs. You can see Tokyo high was broken, and when Tokyo high is broken, you already know what's about to happen. Price is about to come all the way down. You can see that happened. Boom, 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 boom. Started tumbling down, and you can see that here it's looking like it's trying to do the same thing. But today I haven't really looked at the setup that I don't trust yet, but I'm keeping an eye on the market. I just want to be trading on liquidity, man, because that's when price really moves crazy. But yeah, that was my trade for yesterday. That would have been an amazing trade. Like 2 days now, all my setups went the way I wanted them to. This one that happened over here, and this one. So I'm gonna just be trying to perfect it. Then you can start making real money. In this stuff, man. Did you know that it's over a lot of trillions of dollars, man? Trillions of dollars going into the market every day. So man, I need a cut, man. I need a cut. Yeah, now I need to go take a shower, make some breakfast, start my day, man. Shit. But yeah, okay. So yeah, that was my trade. Now I need to clean up my charts, man, so I don't get confused coming into today. Yep. Squeaky clean. Remove all drawings, man. Still know this is a high. I need to mark out that this is a high. This is a high. And still support, man. This is still support. The indication, correction, boom, 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 boom. If it doesn't get, this is a high, you can see that this low has been broken. So one thing might happen today. There's an indication, this is a correction. This high has not been broken yet. So I'm expecting price to come. I think I'll be seeing. Man, I think price could really sell crazy. I ain't gonna lie. It's looking scary, man. She's looking crazy. It's looking scary. I can see it happening, man. I feel it. I feel like something stupid is about to happen. What it's doing right now is it's wicked. It's weird. Making indications all over the place. Yeah. Before like it breaks this, I think we're gonna be seeing some shit. Cause right now, this low has been broken, so it's not respected. That means there's more liquidity down here. So this, let me look at the 15-minute time frame and see what's going on. Let me see if there's a structure shift. The way I spot structure shift is I mark a low like this, I mark a wick like this, and wait for price. It has made an indication that it wants to sell. So there's an indication when if it makes a correction. If it makes a correction like this, if it does this and then this, if a bearish candle closes below this, I'm expecting a sell all the way down here. Up to here might be TP1, then the rest to just until here. So yeah, that could be a sell. That could be a nasty sell. Nasty sale. But let's see, man. Let's see. Right now we're in Tokyo. We just got off Asia sessions, and we're in New York session, London session, London. Okay, I'll keep an eye on it. Maybe we might get in some sales in today. Aye. Okay, man. I'll come back tomorrow with some updates, but that's it for me today. Hope you have a great day. Yeah, man, we're doing this until we get profitable, man. You know, the goal is one. Gotta make it, man. We're not so different. All right.